how many of you know molasses? Are you familiar with molasses? Yes. Okay, there is molasses, different kind of molasses. So the one that you want to use the best is molasses and sulfur. Blackstrap molasses. Yeah, that's the best one. So what you need to do is that one of the benefit of molasses is for those people that have hemoglobin is very low, or you're anemic and you need iron. So I tried this recipe, and I know that many people doesn't really like to try molasses. But if you like molasses, you can take 1-2 teaspoon molasses daily. If you have any that issue of the health, okay. And then the other things that I learned how to make it molasses bar. So what I did is that I got flaxseed, and I grind the flaxseed, 2 cup flaxseed, and then I mix it with chia seed. You know, chia seed also the best one. So I mix it chia seed 1 cup, and then I mix it with different kind of nuts together. I have different kind of nuts: almond, pecan, walnut. I add it with pumpkin seed, and also you can add it with sunflower seed if you want to. And also I add it with dry fruit, because dry fruit like raisin is the best for the iron. And also apricot, one of the best one also. And prune, that's also the source of iron. So I'm mixing it a little bit with cranberry because it's a little bit sour. So I just put it everything together. And then, what I needed is I mix it together. Maybe I need a bigger bowl.
That's too small.
Yeah, can you grab a bigger bowl? So when I mix it together, and you can add a little salt on it, because I always like to put salt in everything. Even in my smoothie, I added a little salt in there to make the taste perfect. I think my bowl is a little bit small, and they will grab me a big bowl for me. So I have a friend that a month ago, she told me that her hemoglobin is only 5, and then I make this recipe to her. In 1 month, her HB go back to normal, and she doesn't need transfusion or anything. Can you cut this one, Saya? Can you cut the end here? Okay. So I'm gonna pour molasses right there. So
Much.
I don't know, I'm not a measurement person, but anyway. So I'll show you how it looks like, okay?
So it literally looks like she's making a trail mix bar.
Yeah. Just what salt. Just leave it what salt. If you by accidentally you put too much molasses, added flaxseed or chia seed, because you know how chia seed is, it will absorb the water. Yeah, a platelet. If you have a low platelet, what you need to take it is get a handful of papaya leaf, and then you boil it, and you drink that juice, the water. If you brave enough, you can take the juice of the papaya leaf. It will bring your platelet up. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm gonna have the plastic bag, a Ziploc, and then I'm going to drop this one, put it here. I really needed a bigger one. That's okay. So then I'm gonna cover this one, and then I'm gonna go like this. So I'm not gonna make it nice, but at least you have an idea.
I heard one table say that can we put that on our face as well, and then we can just eat it.
And the other thing is too, during winter time, before winter, I always take molasses because I'm not tolerate well with the cold. So when I took this one, I am very good with cold. So I'm just gonna sew here. I'm not gonna make it nice here. So and then you just kind of like flattening, and then after that you open. And then what you need to do is you need to cut. So you cut it.
Into any shape you want. Okay.
So when you cut it, whatever size is,
Just like a bar.
like a bar, and then after that you put it back in the freezer. You put it in the freezer. It's going to be hard, right? So then when it's hard, then you'll be able to break it, and then you put him in the syringe wrap. So yeah, individually. So then if you need it or if your children need it, you can just give them a one by one daily. So that's it. And then if you want to try this one, I can give you in the small cup, but it's not going to look like bar. It's not going to look like bar, but yes.